In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new phone. By the end, you'll have your sign-in approvals and one-time codes moved safely without getting locked out of your accounts. Keep your old phone nearby and make sure both devices have an internet connection. Start on the phone that already has Microsoft Authenticator installed. Open the app so we can prepare a secure backup. Next, head into the app's settings. Here's the key. Find Cloud Backup and make sure it's turned on. This creates a copy of your accounts that can be restored on the new device. Give it a moment to complete. If you see a recent backup time or a success message, you're good to go. If it doesn't back up, check your connection and try again. It also helps to keep the app in the foreground for a few seconds so the backup can finish. Now switch to your new phone. Download Microsoft Authenticator from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open the app, but don't sign in on the home screen just yet. Instead, choose Begin Recovery or Restore from Backup. This option pulls in the backup you just enabled tied to your Microsoft account. When prompted, sign in using the same personal Microsoft account you used on the old phone. That's important. Your backup is linked to that exact account. You may be asked to verify with your old device, so approve the prompt there if needed. Give the app a moment to fetch and restore your accounts. You should now see your accounts start to appear on the new phone. Some may be fully active right away. Others might show a message asking you to sign in or re-verify. Tap into each account and follow the prompts to complete verification. This step confirms everything is working on the new device and ensures you'll receive approval notifications. If you're using work or school accounts, your organization might require an extra confirmation in your browser or an admin policy check. Just follow the on-screen guidance. A couple of quick tips to finish strong. Make sure notifications are enabled for Authenticator on the new phone so approval prompts come through. If an account isn't accepting codes, double check the time and date on your device are set automatically. And keep the old phone around until you've tested sign-ins on the new one. Once every account verifies successfully, you're all set on the new phone. That's it. Your Microsoft Authenticator is transferred safely and ready to use. Thanks for watching and good luck with your move.